Nice, here we go. Oh, it's fun in the studio now. We have toys to play with.
You better watch out. I'm going to take someone's face out with this helicopter.
I know. I'm afraid of that. You're just all over the place. And what's interesting is Adam's controller was actually controlling one of Jared's toys.
Well, they have multiple channels, and I'm thinking
funny.
One of these channels could be
So
changed.
Adam was flying a helicopter, and Jared's UFO started moving. That was kind of weird.
Yeah, it happens sometimes in the store, but usually we got enough open space there that it's not a big issue. But it is kind of cool, though, being able to fly a few things at once.
Well, it's cool and scary.
Yeah. Well, we should say welcome to Jared.
Yes,
Good morning.
we should.
Thank you.
Good morning,
How's it
Jared.
going? You been busy?
Yes.
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 Good.
Just all of a sudden picked up at the store and been busy since, and that's what we're waiting for. So we'll be busy all the way through New Year's into February probably. So.
Okay.
Well, we are actually having this segment of our show videotaped. So for folks who want to actually look at what we're doing,
Yes.
this is weird.
Well, we're going to try and describe everything over the air, but
We'll do
on some
the
things
best.
it can be a little difficult.
Right, so we'll do the best we can, but afterwards it will be posted at KDIO Radio on Facebook, so you can see what we've been doing here this morning.
I'm liking that fish thing over there.
I like that too. That is the kind of fish I need. Jared, let's start with that one.
This is, oddly enough, my favorite toy we have in the store. It's just a little, 3-inch long, looks like a fish, shark type of thing.
It could be a bait
Yes.
type fish.
And it's got its own bowl with it. Basically, you put water in the bowl and drop the fish in, and it swims around. So it's like having a pet, except when it dies, you can actually put new batteries in it and bring it back to
And you don't
life.
have to do a funeral and
don't
flush it
have
down
to-
the toilet.
You don't have to clean the bowl. You don't have
No
to
food.
feed it.
Yes.
And it's, okay, this one is red. The one we have is red. What other colors do you have?
They have it's like a clear, gray, silver, or whatever you want to
Like
call
a
it.
shark look, sort
Yes.
of. Okay.
I believe there's blue, green, and orange as well.
Huh.
How much?
These are $12.99.
Oh.
And
Not bad.
one thing to mention with all this stuff, Radio Shack does have a promo going on. Every $50 you spend on Radio Shack product, you get a $10 back coupon. So let's say you buy that iPod Touch for so-and-so, you get 4 $10 coupons. That just turned that $13 fish into a $3 fish.
Sure.
Sure.
Nice.
Okay. Now, this fish with the bowl is called what? I didn't see the name of it.
It's called, it's a hex bug is the series. A lot of people have seen those little ones. This is an aquabot.
Is this like voice activated? I mean, it looks like it's getting agitated.
It's trying to eat the shell, I think.
No, it's not. It's just water activated, and it's not an overly big bowl. He probably wants out. He probably wants to go swimming in
It
the
would be
lake
really
or
cool
something.
if you actually had a real fish tank to put him in with that.
They'd be like, what
Oh,
the?
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That would be something.
They'd freak out.
Does it have a light on it by chance?
No, it does not.
I was kind of curious about that.
Yeah, that is definitely an interesting thing to watch, and I think it would be a great conversation piece.
And how toys have changed.
I know.
And robot aquarium fish, basically.
The thing I like about it is a lot of our toys at Radio Shack are geared more for that 6-year-old and up age. This is a good toy for younger kids. 1, 2. I got one of these for our youngest.
They just have to watch it. There's
something
nothing
in the
really else
bathtub.
to it. True.
So,
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Oh, yeah.
You bet. You
Never
wouldn't have
thought
to
of
leave
that.
it in the bowl.
Neat.
that's right.
That is cool.
All right. All right, let's go to the UFO. You said this is one of your top sellers.
This, oddly enough, last year I only ordered a couple. I thought, I don't know about it. Well, we could not keep them in stock.
Huh.
And luckily they brought them back this year. I've flown it tons of times, so who wants at it?
Adam is the
Yeah,
fly guy.
Julie's sitting back, Adam's pointing
I'm a little
over.
nervous because this helicopter, every helicopter or flight, it takes a while for you to figure them out, and they're all a little different.
But the thing with this one, Jared told me, is it only goes up and down.
Oh, okay.
You can't go side to side with
As long
the
as
UFO.
as long as you point the sensor at the remote at the UFO, it goes up and down.
On the side.
And it's really a lot of fun for a lot of ages.
There it
He's
is.
looking for the
All
on
right, got
switch.
it.
Okay. Now this lights up really cool.
Yes.
It's a blue UFO, and it's got red and blue lights and yellow and green, and it's really neat.
And for someone that little kids and helicopters can be quite difficult. Sometimes I can't even figure them out.
Right.
This is up and down, and there's no going around the room and
You
whatnot.
won't be
so.
flying into things too much unless you're like Adam, who just sat
Now, this
across
one I
the
noticed
table.
has a little tear on the wing, so I don't know if that is affecting the flight or
Now,
not. But
do these come with replacement parts?
Yes.
Yeah, they do.
Typically, all the helicopters, all of these UFO, they have replacement wings. We do also offer 1 year.
That went on the floor.
yeah, I did.
There you go.
Thanks.
We do offer 1 year replacement coverage on all these toys as well. So that includes breaking it.
It
Oh, by
does.
the way,
Wow.
Yes.
Jared, we need to do a disclaimer here. If we break any of these,
Yes.
we are not responsible.
It won't be the first toy broken this year.
Okay.
I actually broke one in the store, so.
Yeah, these I know you can mess with. Sometimes you have to mess with the trim a little bit and these little parts here. And this is cool though. That is neat.
That is a neat little thing. Now, how much are we looking at for the UFO?
That's the same price as the fish. Those are $13.99.
That
There we
actually
go.
is not bad. Hey,
There
look
we
at
go.
that. He did really well. He went straight up in the air, almost to the ceiling. He's bringing it back down.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah.
That is good, Adam.
See, sometimes you have to mess with the little blades in the bottom, which are part of the balancing
You
act.
could be the demo guy.
Well,
Now,
they
watch
pay me
it.
to play with toys.
Watch it. That's my
Coming
guy.
back, coming back.
Okay.
Yeah, that was good.
Nice.
Well said.
You did well.
I'm not so sure about this other one. I was having problems with it earlier.
That is really a neat little toy. I like that.
What was the price again?
Typically they're $15. They're on sale for $12.99.
Oh, that's not bad at all. No. Does the fish time out? Does it just take a while and then it'll turn back on again, or?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, so it's not going to aimlessly swim for 10 days until the battery dies.
See,
Yeah,
when
and
you-
I took him out. Now he's kicking at me.
Okay.
He wants
so
back
when
in.
he got agitated,
There he goes.
there we go. Fish is back.
That is
Yeah,
pretty cool.
He wants that corner. He wants to get
I
out.
like that. All right, let's go to
Battle-a-thon robots
the
here.
robots. Yeah.
Yes. All right. I haven't messed with this one yet.
When I saw these, I thought, holy cow, the 80s are back.
Yes.
That's exactly what they
Battlebots,
reminded me
yes.
of.
Oh, I punch.
I think they just punch.
They
as
just
you,
punch.
drive around.
Oh, I
Right
see.
now, Adam has blue, and
Yep.
I have the red robot. And
They are doing a lot of swinging and missing.
There you go.
There. There we
oh,
go.
he knocked his head off.
This is the one that has the damaged head. That's not fair.
No,
I'm just
no,
kidding.
that's what's supposed to happen, Jared.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
The heads pop off, just like
Oh.
that. See, I
You gotta
got
hit
you
'em right
twice.
in the
Well, I
head
see there's a
section.
chest plate,
Yeah.
and then you smack them in the chest plate.
Oh, sure.
There.
Move your dogs. And then, wait a minute, mine died.
Oh, free will. Here we go.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Knock me off the table.
Yeah, see, yours is much stronger than mine.
He's not moving.
And I'm taking you out, and I'm not.
You're not even trying. Did you switch mine off?
No. I'm a cheater, but not that big a cheater.
The head has to be pushed down or they will not go.
Oh, okay. And what age group are we looking at for the battle box?
Well, I don't have any.
33 and up, right?
I don't have the boxes here, and actually Adam is right. Most of these toys we sell are bought by adults, bought for adults.
These are fun.
I would say this is a good 9, 10-year-old.
Yeah, there's a little bit of coordination here because you have to use both buttons almost
Yeah,
in unison.
You do, because otherwise you just go around the table, like I'm doing now.
Like Julie punching up my microphone. No, that was Adam trying to hit the microphone.
Yeah!
Why not me?
Oh, these are good too. What do these run?
I believe retail is $49.99. They're on sale for $39.99.
And they come as a pair.
They come as a pair.
Okay.
You get both robots. So,
One thing I would say with this, and you probably hard surface only. I'm guessing carpet,
yep.
not so much.
Yep, carpet, they will not run around as well. If you have some flat carpeting like in
Oh,
here,
yeah.
it might work a little bit better, but more of a tableware counter.
I love this. Adam and I.
Oh, I'm gonna take you down.
Oh!
Yeah!
I guess that one counts.
Blue team, blue team. This is my touchdown dance right here. You see? I'm rubbing it in. No penalties on this one. What? We get you.
That is awesome.
Yeah, this is my favorite so far. These are pretty cool.
Adam and I are going to keep these here.
Yes.
Well, and what's nice about these are something you can do with somebody else. You know, you're flying a
Yes.
helicopter or watching a fish. Yes, the fish is cool. I like it, but it swims. You don't get to hold it and pet it and stuff.
See, in the NFL, I would have been charged with a penalty there. Personal foul.
Taunting?
And maybe taunting. As I stood over here.
There, I got you.
Okay, we are even 2-2.
All right, we better quit
We'll
while
move
we're
on
ahead.
to the next. It won't fly right.
And I think that's true. Now,
You can tell this one's got some power to it.
it does, you can
Yeah.
hear it. Now the helicopters, Jared, I'm gonna just throw out my personal experience with flying remote control things. I personally don't recommend those for kids under 10.
I would typically agree with that. There's a lot of varieties of helicopter. I think we
Yes.
have a dozen different models this year. These smaller ones they're around $25-30 depending on if they're on sale. I believe this one's at $24.99. This is one I would look for about the age range you're talking about, 10, 11, somewhere in there. They're not necessarily something you want a 5-year-old flying indoors.
You want to go RC, I guess maybe for the younger kids, something like a truck like this would probably be a little better.
This RC truck looks very sturdy.
It's a Ford, by the way. So
Built
if you're a
Ford.
Chevy guy, I'm not sure how that's going to work out for
Well,
you.
and I'm a Dodge guy, but
Okay.
I will tolerate a Ford toy.
Because it's a toy, right?
Short, yes.
Okay. Ooh.
This is a red, I was not gonna kill the fish, I promise.
You should put that on the floor and just go for a crazy ride.
This is a red monster truck. And I would think a younger kid could handle that pretty easy.
Yeah, I think I gave one of these.
What does something like this start at? You said this is kind of your base model as far as RCs go.
This one, I believe retails at $19.99, and when it's on sale, it'll be around $15.
Okay.
And I believe it is on sale right now.
So nice selection of toys. This one obviously among them. We should maybe mention some of the things he didn't bring in. The tablets, I think probably, seems to me like tablets might be the biggest thing this year as far as the electronics, computers, TVs, that stuff goes.
Yeah, there's a handful of products that were pretty big last year, even bigger this year.
Okay.
Tablets number one. I sold one this morning even.
Okay,
So
nice.
They are
And the
something a
options
lot of people
there
look
are,
for.
there used to be the iPod, or the iPad, now is it. Now there's the Kindles, and there's Android ones, and
Right.
they're all over the place.
The Galaxy tablets have really taken off. We have those available in the store. The nice thing about a lot of these tablets, about the Apple products, Beats products, the headphones, all that stuff, we get to sell that stuff at the same price you'll find pretty much anywhere you go.
Okay, it's a kind of a standardized pricing.
Yep.
Nice. Nice.
Bluetooth speakers is another big one. I was going to bring one in, but I didn't.
They have
That
different
is-
shapes and stuff. I know. I seen a can one.
Yeah.
I believe is the one I saw in an
Yeah.
ad one day.
Yeah, they range from $20 all the way up to $200. Basically, you connect your smartphone, your tablet, anything that has Bluetooth, play music through it. Good for holiday stuff this time of year.
Okay.
I have one at home. I absolutely love it.
Okay. We mentioned the batteries, and we must be televisions. You want to talk about televisions?
TVs.
I love
Yeah.
talking about TVs.
So that's your bread and butter, huh?
That
At
is
least
my
your
bread and
personal
butter.
and
My favorite thing in the store to sell is TVs. We got 22-inch all the way up to 80-inch.
And that's a new thing. You've expanded with a bigger screen size.
Yes, we've been an LG carrier since the Design Electronics took over a couple of years ago. We added in a 70 and an 80-inch model through Sharp, and they are just
Wow.
very crisp, clean pictures. They are watching football. The first time I saw that, I thought that my employee was actually in the football game. that realistic look.
That is cool.
And they of course come with the smart capability, so you can hook it up like a computer, and they have 3D as well, which is also nice this time of year. Watch some movies with your family.
And of course, you've got stands for those TVs too.
Yes,
Wall
we do.
mounts as well?
We have wall mount stands. We have all the cables, connectors, sound bars. That's another big one. With these TVs, you get such a good picture. You have to lose something somewhere. It's typically the sound in the TV. These sound bars are phenomenal. Some that give you a 360
Wow.
feel.
I know they
if
have
you're sitting on the
wireless,
side-
wireless now too with subwoofers and that.
Yeah, wireless subwoofers, Bluetooth connectivity once again, so you can hook your smartphone, your tablet up to your sound bar and play music through that.
That's cool.
Wow.
All kinds of fun stuff.
Yeah, you need an expert when it comes to TVs.
You do.
There's so many options, and you know, if you have a 8x10 room, you probably ain't gonna put an 80-inch TV in it either. So it's about picking out the right TV for your room and what you like to watch.
That's correct.
Well, we had so much fun playing
Yeah,
with
this
the
is great.
toys.
I like watching people play with toys. I'm not.
It's like a learning process a little bit.
Probably not the best thing for the Radio Shack guy to say, but I am not good at flying these helicopters. I would much rather watch somebody like Adam fly it who knows what he's doing.
Okay.
So it's really fun for me to watch people engage with these and have fun. So stop in. We have these toys all sitting out. You're welcome to stop in and play, test them out. While you're there, you know, check and see if you're eligible to upgrade. The iPhone 5C, $50 right now. That iPhone or Apple products in general do not go on sale. So $50 off on this is a heck of a deal. Take a look at the TVs. We've had a number of people stop in and look at that 80-inch TV. We're fine with you walking in the store and looking at stuff.
Okay.
No problem there.
What are your hours now, Jared?
Monday through Friday, we're open 8:30 until 7, and that's through Christmas.
Wow.
Saturdays, we're open 9 to 4. That's also through Christmas. And then Sundays, 11 to 3. So
Okay.
we do have Sunday hours.
Nice.
Just a few extra hours in the week for people who work late, work weekends, who can't always get there. So Sundays are a good day to stop into.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Jared.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Stop in and see him at Radio Shack Design Electronics.